What is vitamin D? The sunshine vitamin may be a hot topic. You'll have recently acknowledged that you simply are deficient or know someone who is. It's shocking for many people once they haven't had a drag before and believe nothing has changed to form it a drag now. The reality is that tons has changed, and vitamin D deficiency and insufficiency are now a worldwide public ill health affecting an estimated 1 billion people worldwide. Vitamins are considered essential nutrients because either your body cannot make them or they're made in inadequate amounts to stop negative health consequences or diseases. So it's essential that you simply provide vitamins for your body by food and/or supplements. Vitamin D was discovered to be essential when it had been found to be needed for the treatment of rickets. Vitamin D is one among the 4 fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K. There are 2 sorts of vitamin D, D2 and D3. Vitamin D2, also referred to as ergocalciferol, comes from fortified foods, plant foods, and over-the-counter supplements. Vitamin D3, also referred to as cholecalciferol, comes from fortified foods, animal foods, fatty fish, cod liver oil, eggs, and liver, supplements, and may be made internally when your skin is exposed ultraviolet, UV, radiation from the sun. Structurally, these two aren't an equivalent. Many believe that vitamin D should be classified as a hormone, with some calling it the forgotten neurosteroid. The health consequences of being deficient go far beyond rickets and what occurs with the other vitamin. And in contrast to other vitamins, it are often made by your body when exposed to the sun, and therefore the active form in your body, called calcitriol, is analogous to other hormones, estrogen, cortisol, and testosterone. The real dangers of excessive exposure to the sun and carcinoma are greatly publicized and resulted in people covering up and using sunscreen when within the sun. We've also had a shift in spending less time outdoors due to increased work hours and more sedentary lives. As a result, vitamin D levels began dropping without most healthcare professionals realizing it. Researchers that specialize in the results of vitamin D deficiency and have found an alarming number of health issues outside of its role with rickets. These include skeletal diseases like osteoporosis, certain cancers, disorder, autoimmune diseases, infections, inflammatory bowel diseases, psychological disorders, cognitive disorders, obesity, and/or mortality. Correcting vitamin D deficiency isn't as simple as taking a pill or getting more sun. This text will teach you all that you simply got to realize the advantages of achieving and maintaining optimal vitamin D levels and the way you'll roll in the hay.